As Shenzhen New Home Factory, high-tech technology was founded in 2011, located in Dapeng District, where is the most beautiful place in Shenzhen. Let's go and see it. We are proud of our professional technical team who support to fulfill customized different customers' requirements. Over the years, the company are specialized in making and selling battery products, including LiPo for battery, home energy storage battery, portable power station, commercial and industrial energy storage system. We provide a full power solution for customers. High-tech has brought in automatic production line and packing line for large batteries and over 300 aging point equipment. Our high-tech dust-free SMP production line supports our own battery management system, BMS board. Our factory has all required certifications. We provide high-quality products with competitive price. Please contact us for a quote. Looking forward to cooperating with you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.